Hey lovelies, welcome back. I hope everybody had a great Christmas and you were safe and you enjoyed your time with your family. And if you are new here, click that subscription button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, when y'all see this cap, y'all know what it is. Today I'm doing a review on y'all, a human hair unit. Now you know I have never done a human hair unit. This is my first time reviewing human hair. I'm very nervous because I'm not used to working with human hair. Now I sent this unit from Julia Hair, and in the box came some eyelashes and wig cap. You know, we can always use wig caps. There's two in here. And it came with a card that tells you a little bit about the company, how to use the hair. Okay, so y'all know that I don't do no ball cap. I don't do no gluing. I don't do any of that stuff. I want to do the least amount of work possible. Okay, now this unit, out of the box, it was a little frizzy. It was a little like messed up. Not messed up as being in bad or anything. It just had the shape of the box, you know, like when you get bedhead, it came with this part like up like this, and it was a little twisted because it was in the box. And I understand that, but the reason why I'm telling you that is this human hair wig, and I don't know about any other human hair wigs because I have never had one. This is my first human hair wig. It's not really just a throw-on type of wig. You can't just put this wig on right out of the box. It had lace in the front, which I cut off. Also, the cap construction has one comb on the right side, one comb on the left side, a comb in the back, and this strap that I already tightened because I have a small head. This cap seems like it's in the middle and it's stretchable, so if you put it on, it's a little bit too tight for you. You don't have to use the straps in the back. And if your head is small and it's a little big like it was on me, so I had to tighten up the straps till the last thing that it can go. It also comes with baby hair in the front that I don't use. I don't do baby hair or anything like that. And I want to, here's the baby hair. I want to do the least that I could possibly do. I just want to throw on a wig and just be about my business. But this one, honestly, I have to do a little work on it. First of all, I washed this hair when I first received it because it did have kind of like a smell of maybe it was dyed or something like that. So I got that out, and then I also had to, well, I washed and conditioned. I put conditioner on it also, and I let it dry, and then I had to go in with the flat iron on this hair. And this is the results of the flat iron. Now I'm going to try it on for you. I think this wig is a really good wig. You know, I like it because it's just a regular straight part wig that you can part on the side, on both sides, and wear middle part, because in the cap construction it seems like it is a lace frontal all around the cap area, and in the back there was lace also in the back, so you can put your hair up in a ponytail. I'm not doing that because I don't know how to do that. So I'm just basically going to throw the wig on and let y'all see cute the wig is. Here I go. Okay, now I adjusted it to my head. And you see the wig, y'all? It's pretty cute. No baby hairs. I didn't do any plucking in the parting area, and also I did not use the baby hairs. I just cut off the lace, and this is the result of the wig. Now this wig is 16 inches. It is kind of like an off black color with a little brown highlights in it, and I think it's cool. It's a workable length for like every day, and I wear hats all the time, so you can throw your hat on it. Let me just fix it up. And I adjusted the strap in the back so I wouldn't have to do all of those things, and I wouldn't have to use any baby hair. I think it's cute. And I was all nervous and going on for like nothing because, you know, it took me a while to put this video up because I was so intimidated by the fact that this is a human hair wig. But it worked out. Straightens very nicely. The hair is super duper soft. Oh my goodness, this hair is so soft. It feels so good. And I think it looks pretty natural. To me, it looks like either you have a flat iron your hair or you have relaxed hair. You know, but it looks good. I think it's really cute. Looks like an everyday unit. See? And it is 16 inches. This is a wig you can wear every day. You can put your hat on, you can fit. You can do stuff with it and put it like behind your ear. I like to do that with the behind the ear stuff. Like I always do that. And since it's human hair, you can curl the wig, style it any way you want. Oh, also, I did spray on some heat protectant before I did a flat iron on it, just like you would do with your hair. You know, you would do, I think you would want to put on some heat protectant so that the hair doesn't get messed up. But I could see this being like one cute wig that I could just throw on. Okay, so if you lovely ladies have any questions about this unit right here, which I really didn't have to do a whole lot, but I did have to do some things to get it to look like this. No plucking out in the part, remember, and no concealer. But if you would like to do that, if you would like to use, like some people use got to be glue and hairspray and the ball cap method, and you know, they just do a lot more than I care to do. And I know that there are a lot of ladies out there who don't really want to do much with their units like I don't. So I think this is good enough for me. Maybe it's not finesse the way other hair gurus do it, you know, but this is how I like it to look. To me, it looks very natural. I don't have to have any baby hairs around it, and the lace was extremely easy to cut off. So that's why, and I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I thought I had to do so much work with this wig. And what I like to bring to you are wigs that you don't have to fuss so much about. You don't have to be an expert at putting a wig on. You know, it's very easy right out of the package. Not too much complication, and that's why I used to always only do synthetic wigs, because I thought, oh, human hair wigs, that's going to be too much for me, and I was very extremely intimidated. But as you can see, this is cute, very cute, low fuss. So anyway, that's the end of my review. If you ladies have any questions, please leave them down in the comment box. I would love to answer questions, and I would like to know what you think about this wig. Do you have any human hair wigs? And if you have any tips that I can do, because you can always get better with stuff, you know. So if I'm going to be wearing human hair wigs, since it's so cute, I might be willing to put in a little work on it. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Anyway, enjoy your New Year's Eve. Be careful out there. And I shall see you again after the New Year's. So please be safe. Bye, lovelies.